Hey guys, doing a video of my 2012 F550. This is a four-wheel drive automatic 6.7 turbo diesel crew cab. Has an 11-foot flatbed, new boards on the top. You can see it has the factory Ford aluminum wheels. You've got two boxes, one on each side. They're 3 feet long. Has a thunderstruck front bumper. It's got fog lights that turn it on and off with the headlight switch. Grill's in nice shape. This is no rust on the body whatsoever. Very clean inside. Has the WeatherTech floor mats. Here you can see it has the factory fog light switch. They are turned on. The seats are clean. Both sides. Back seats are clean. Truck has 214,000 on it. Jump in here and show you that with the door closed. 214,000. I've been daily driving this truck for the last year. Everything works. All the power windows work. The air conditioning and the heater both work excellent. Four-wheel drive works. The radio looks like it's blinking on camera, but it's not blinking in real life. It's probably the refresh rate. Stereo works, all the speakers work.
Babbel.com. That's BABBEL.com.
Getting quality employees to filter.
Cruise control works. The steering wheel's not all ragged and nasty like most work trucks. The steering wheel's in nice shape. Buttons aren't all worn off. Cup holders here, cup holders here, center console. Just the things I've been keeping in here. You can see power doors. The 18-inch brand new job boxes. I do have keys for those. Ford Alcoas. Got all LED lights in the back here. This truck does have a muffler on it. This body is clean, clean, clean. There's no rust on the doors, no rust on the rockers. Cap corners are original. You see there's a little paint wear on the inside door jamb, but that's to be expected. Has the fabric, but it has the durable vinyl on the top of your center console. I changed that out. The fabric always gets nasty. I really like the rubber, the vinyl on top here, but I like the fabric seats. That's a change I usually make to the trucks right away. This truck doesn't have any drips or leaks under it. No blow-by, no smoke out of the exhaust. One of the coolest things about this F550 is it has 410 gears in the rear and the front. That had to be special ordered. They normally come with 488s or 430s. But this truck cruises down the highway like no problem. I don't know if you can see here, but the axle code 41 is Ford's 410 gear ratio. All new removable boards. Got the clasps on them to hold them nice and tight so they don't vibrate. This is a Knapehide bed. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. It's a Knapehide bed. It's 11 feet long. If you're looking for a very clean four-wheel drive F550 that's geared to pull and run down the interstate without running crazy RPMs. Hopefully you won't hit any deer, but if you do, you'll be fine. Everything works on this truck. There's nothing you need to do to it except get in it and drive it. AC below is cold. Radio functions, windows work, all the door locks work, power mirrors work. Kind of hard to see in here, but you got your sunglass holders. There are no check engine lights on or warnings on the dash whatsoever. You can turn the fog lights off by pulling it in or out. Cruise control works, all the buttons here work. Once again, guys, if you're looking for a nice F550 that you can just get in and drive, start hauling your equipment, your supplies, your tools, that you can use right away, this is the truck for you. Thanks for watching.